Namaste, this is Dr. Karishma Ahuja. Today I want to talk to you about healing your inner child. I'm going to take you through a special meditation to connect and heal your child within you. Remember, my dear ones, it may not be your fault that things have gone wrong in your life. It may not be your fault that you have been hurt and insulted. It may not even be your fault that what you loved may have been taken away from you. Yet, please listen carefully. It is your responsibility to now clean up whatever may be the reason for you to experience these problems, challenges, even negative experiences. It is your responsibility to take charge of your own life. And the only way you can clean up your past, take charge of your life, and make things happen for yourself in this life is by connecting with your inner child. Connecting with your subconscious mind, which is like a small child inside of you, which is why it's referred to as an inner child. Your inner child needs your care, your attention, your love, and most importantly, your guidance. It is your responsibility, my dear ones, to guide and direct your inner child, to start focusing on aspects of love, joy, compassion, kindness, and gratitude. It is your responsibility to teach and influence your inner child to drop the memories, patterns, beliefs, even blockages that may have been the cause of your negative experiences in your life. Remember, the inner child is experiencing these memories in itself all the time, 24 hours in a day, without a break. While you may be keeping your mind off your problems for a while, it is your subconscious that is constantly engaged and connected with these problems. If you want to experience beautiful things in your life, if you want to bring about positive experiences and overcome your challenges, you must find a way to convince your inner child to drop the burdens of the past. The child within you is suffering due to these memories. But the sad part is, it is not aware that it can get rid of these memories. It is not even aware that it's being harmed in the process. All it knows and feels is that it's being unloved, uncared for. Just like a small child in your own home that may be crying due to some pain or ache, but is unaware of where the pain is. It is even incapable of communicating this pain and hurt to you. And just as a parent of this small child who tries to figure out what could be the possible problem in this child, in the same manner, you today have to parent your own subconscious mind, your inner child. You have to identify what these negative patterns, blockages, and feelings are. Once you identify negative feelings going on within you, take them up with your inner child. Let the child know that you deserve to live a better life, and that will only be possible if you surrender these memories, energies, feelings to your spirit, the higher source within you, allowing your spirit to erase, release, remove all these negative associations. All you have to do is to influence your inner child with love, to drop these memories, to drop these patterns, to release these energies, so that you, together with your inner child, can get back to experiencing who you really are and experience the world in all its beauty and glory. How do we go about connecting, influencing, and loving the inner child? One of the most powerful ways to influence, connect, and parent your inner child is through an inner child meditation. This is your time with your inner child. It is you speaking with all your heart to your inner child. Slowly, with discipline and consistency, the inner child will start to listen to you, will start allowing you to direct it. Let me now take you through this powerful meditation. I request you to take a comfortable position, close your eyes, spine erect, while the rest of your body is relaxed. Start to take all your attention to your breath. Remember, if you want to involve your inner child in this meditation, you want it to join you and cooperate with you, you must first try to relax your mind and body and slow down your breath. Let's start to breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly, and relax. Continue to keep your focus and attention on your breath for the next few seconds until you hear my voice again. Feel the relaxation in your mind and body as you are focusing on your own breath. Now, let's take a deep breath. Breathe in slowly. Hold your breath for a few seconds. Exhale through your mouth slowly. Relax. Now, visualize your own inner child standing in front of you. If you do not have a clear image of your inner child, visualize your own younger self. This is also a very powerful way to connect and engage with your own inner child. Let your own younger self come up to you. Look into your own inner child's eyes. As you look at this child, notice the expression on the face of this child. What does this child's personality and expression suggest or indicate? Look at the body language of the child. As you look at this child, who do you see? What feelings about your own self come up as you look at this child? Go ahead and ask your inner child, how are you feeling? And wait and see if it is answering this question for you. Most likely, the answer may have come in the form of a feeling inside your own body right now. Notice what feelings have come up within you about your own life and situations as you have asked this question to your inner child. Acknowledge all feelings that come up within you. Do not try to stop any thought or feeling coming up as you are looking at your inner child. Taking a deep breath in, a deep breath out. Continuing to look at your inner child standing before you. Repeat with me the following words to your inner child. My dear one, it's a beautiful world. We are fortunate to be alive. Let's get together to drop the burden and release the past. It's time to choose love and heal our heart. It's a beautiful world. We are fortunate to be alive. Let's get together to drop the burden and release the past. It's time to choose love and heal our heart. It's a beautiful world. We are fortunate to be alive. Let's get together to drop the burden and release the past. It's time to choose love and heal our heart. Feel the energy of the words you have just spoken to your inner child. Continue looking at your inner child with love, letting the inner child know that the words you have spoken, you have meant with all your heart. Let your eyes be filled with the power in your words. Let your expression be filled with the love and gratitude you wish to pass on to your inner child. I'm now going to be counting from 1 to 3. At the count of 3, you will rub your palms against each other, gently place them on your eyes, and then you will slowly open your eyes. 1. Feeling a deep sense of connection with your inner child. Feeling relieved that you have established a good connection with your inner child and you have communicated with your little one the importance of embracing the present moment and dropping the past. 2. Breathing in with a smile, breathing out with a smile, committing to continue to repeat these words to your inner child on a daily basis. 3. Rub your palms against each other. Gently place them on your eyes. With a smile on your face, you may now open your eyes. Remember, the more you repeat this meditation, the more You will feel a sense of power, a positive influence over your inner child. Even if you can't see an image of your inner child clearly, it does not matter. Slowly, the inner child will reveal itself to you. Until then, you can simply try and connect with either an image of your childhood or even a picture of your childhood. It is important to keep the communication on with your inner child. Do this meditation on a daily basis. You are sure to feel the love for your inner child that a parent feels for his own child. Every day in every way, your connection with your inner child can get stronger, and you will soon start to experience positive changes at every level and area in your life. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. There's lots more coming up on Ho'oponopono and inner child healing. Do share this video with others and subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon to get regular updates about all our latest videos, tips and tools. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. All my love. God bless.